Take a look. We are looking at a firmer tone. Investors are awaiting comments from the central bank later today. It is expected rates will remain unchanged. We know that Powell has already told us rates will be near zero until 2024. Also, August retail sales will be out in about 2.5 hours. Joining me right now is IHT Wealth Management President Steve Dudash. Also joining the conversation this morning, Fox Business's Dagan McDowell and former Home Depot and Chrysler CEO Bob Nardelli. Great to see you guys this morning. Thank you so much for being here. Welcome back to you, Bob Nardelli. Steve Dudash, let me kick it off with you. Your take on the markets with this slow move up for the major averages. We had a little bit of a correction in tech last week, but would you allocate new capital to markets today?
Yeah, we needed that correction in tech, too. It's been too long of a run in that area. I love the tech area. I've been a big fan for years now. I've been talking about it on TV. But the reality is it got way ahead of itself. I would wait on the sidelines even further on the tech part, especially with the election coming up. We know you're going to get a couple pops. I'm not saying that they're not going to continue to make money, but look for the pullbacks and then jump in on those rebounds. Like last week, we jumped in a bunch. You'll probably see another 5-10% downswing at some point in the next month or two. So wait on that, especially we're in a volatile time right now with the election, with the virus, with all of the headlines that are out there. You can pick your points. You don't have to jump in on the top part at all times.
What's your take in the IPO market? You got Snowflake going public, the tech company hitting the market later today with a reported price of $120 a share. This is a Berkshire Hathaway company, a valuation of about $33 billion. Is this a sign of strength for the markets that we could see such a big deal getting such a good reception?
It's getting a huge reception, and it's a surprising one. It's up another just 15% in the last week or two of expectations. I'm not going in right now, guys. I just can't do it. There's 14 IPOs this week. It's the biggest week in 6 years. It's ahead of itself. It's going to pop today. We all know that with all the expectations. It'll probably jump 10 or 15%, but that's not going to help anyone unless you've already been in on it. So wait. Let it run out in the next week or so. You can get a better valuation on this. You'll be able to get a better price. There's no reason to buy in on the top. Again, with this, this is like the epitome of the over-enthusiasm that we're seeing in the tech market right now. It's a good company, kind of like Tesla. Good company, crazy valuations. You're seeing the same thing in this area right now with these IPOs.
So what about the backdrop in the economy? Bob Nardelli, let me get your take here. We got retail sales coming out in about 2.5